me again. Okay, today we'll be doing Ryan's World Kitchen. Ryan's World has like 20 million subscribers, so if we get past him, that would be a big responsibility. But the only ones who can do that are you guys. So, like and subscribe. Okay, so let's see what we got in this fridge. It's so cold. Okay, do we got the ice cubes? We only got one ice cube. Okay, that's dope. Ah, a knife. Who would leave a knife in the fridge? Okay. Be very careful of knives. Put this. Did the lights just turn off? Okay, that's a little weird. Okay, got some decoration back here and here. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's just a very old thing. I had that. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. Combo Panda's yogurt. That is actually. Open this. Okay, just set it down. Okay. That is actually confetti. They're trying to trick us. Oh, they just turned out again. Well, that's peachy. Okay, we have eggs that have mystery surprises. Whoop! Ryan isn't watching this right now. Just little fingers. The eggs. Okay, let's see what's in this one. The little. Go. Okay. Now let's open this one. Inside. Hey, it's a popsicle. I love popsicles. Not this time. Now what's this one? A pizza? Well, that's cool. Okay, now this is the last one. Inside, what can it be? Open sesame. Whoa, it's a pineapple drink. I don't think that can be possible. I'm gonna get it so you can clearly see it. Okay, that's cool. And we have butter that is magically connects and we open it. Be careful. I don't want this getting on the carpet. Okay, you know what? Sit down. Stay there. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's see this dispenser work. Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, that's for today. Bye.